We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. And this review is one of our favorites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and make sure our customers get the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we're the right fit for you. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.